If you need to find your Namecheap cPanel shared IP address, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly where to look inside Namecheap cPanel so you can find it in just a few seconds. This is useful if you're setting up a website, connecting a domain, checking hosting details, or troubleshooting a DNS issue. If this video helps, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple software tutorials. Let's get started. First, log into your Namecheap account and open cPanel for the hosting plan you want to check. Once you're inside cPanel, take a look at the right side menu. This is where Namecheap keeps important account and server details in a simple sidebar. Now scroll your eyes to the general information section. In that section, you'll see several hosting details listed, including your account information and server settings. Look for the line that says shared IP address. That is the IP address you need. It is the shared IP address assigned to your Namecheap hosting account, and you can use it when connecting a domain, pointing records, or verifying your hosting setup. If you don't see it right away, just make sure you are looking in the general information area on the right side of the cPanel dashboard, because that is the exact location Namecheap uses for this information. And that's it. You've now found the Namecheap cPanel shared IP address. Quick, simple, and no advanced steps needed. If this tutorial helped you out, please hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next easy guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.